Want to know how to log into the Threads app? Hello everyone, I'm Justin from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to log into the Threads app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open Threads app on your screen. Here you can see all the accounts that is logged into your Instagram. However, if you want to log into a different account, you can tap on the Use Different Account option at the bottom of your screen. Here you will need to enter your username and password in order to log into your Threads app. Now here I am selecting an account that is already logged into my device. Likewise, you can either make your account public or private. Now select according to your preference. After selecting, tap on the Continue button at the bottom. An instruction will appear. Tap on the Join Threads option at the bottom. So this is how you can log into your Threads app. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.